B, C, D, dancing time. A, B, C, D, dancing time. E, F, G, H, hoping time. E, F, G, H, hoping time. I, J, K, L, learning time. I, J, K, L, learning time. M, N, O, P, playing time. M, N, O, P, playing time. Q, R, S, T, story time. Q, R, S, T, story time. U, V, W, writing time. U, V, W, writing time. X, Y, Z is jolly time. X, Y, Z is jolly time.
Hi children, let us learn the first lesson in our second class English textbook. At the zoo. Look at the picture and observe it, okay? Shall I ask some questions? Okay, let me ask. Why are the children looking happy? Because they are in the zoo and enjoying by watching all the birds and animals. Okay, what animals do you see in the picture? Okay, elephant, lion, giraffe, snake, tiger. Okay children, now look at this another picture and answer my questions. Where are the children going? They are going to visit the zoo. Next question. What is the boy saying? Will he get the van? The boy is asking to stop the van. Yes, he will. What is he taking with him? He is taking a bag and a bat with him. Okay, now I will tell you about the boy who was in this picture. Abhi got up early. He is getting ready for a picnic to the zoo. Amma, where is my blue shirt? Abhi asked his mother. It's there in the almara, mother said. Amma, where is my water bottle? Asked Abhi. It's there on the dining table, said the mother. Oh, it is not there, Amma. Look in the kitchen. Oh, it is not there. Please help me, Amma. Abhi and his mother found it under the table. Now, Abhi is ready to go. Just then, his pet kitten Sweetie joined on him. Hi Sweetie, I am going to the zoo. We will play in the evening, said Abhi. Abhi walked out. The mother also walked out with Abhi to see him off. Okay, take care, said the mother. Thank you, Amma. Oh my God, it's getting late. Bye, Amma. Abhi was running fast. Okay, children, have you understood the story? Shall I ask some questions? Why did Abhi get up early? Abhi got up early for get ready to visit the zoo. Okay, next question. Who is Sweetie? Sweetie is Abhi's pet kitten. Okay, next question. Why did Abhi not take Sweetie with him? Yes, it is very difficult to maintain in the zoo. Okay, children, now I read the story. Listen carefully. Abhi goes to zoo. The van was moving. Stop, stop, Salim uncle, please stop, shouted Abhi. Stop, stop, Abhi is coming, shouted the children. Salim, the van driver, stopped the van. Abhi got into the van. Lo, the van was going to the zoo. Pom, pom, pom. Okay, children, have you enjoyed the story? Now they are in the zoo. Now look at this picture and identify the names of the birds and animals. Have you noticed all the birds and animals? Try to tell me one by one. Elephant, snake, rabbit, deer, squirrel, parrot. Let us go for next picture and watch carefully. Okay, I will ask some questions. Give me right answers. First question. What do you see in the picture? Yes, tiger, horse, camel, giraffe, lion, monkey, gatekeeper, ticket counter, umbrella, ice cream seller, juice center, a dog, van, children, and visitors are there in this picture. Okay, children, next question. What are the children doing? One girl is playing. Another girl is going to have ice cream. One boy moving towards the juice center. Some children are in the queue. Okay, next question. What is the natural home of wild animals? Yes, forest is the natural home of wild animals. Okay, children. Next, another question. What kind of things do animals need to be happy? Let them to be their natural home, that is forest. Then only they will be happy. Okay, children, now identify the following in the picture of the zoo. Okay? Tiger, monkey, jug, Xerox, camel, kangaroo, lion, parrot. Okay, children, look at the picture of the zoo and write the names of animals, birds, and things in the table given below. Some are done for you. Okay. For example, animal comes under A. Fruit comes under F. Nest comes under N. Yo-yo comes under Y. Like this, identify the picture and find out the birds and animals, people, and all the things names in this table in alphabetical order. Okay, children, let us learn and enjoy a rhyme on alphabet.
A B C D dancing time. A B C D dancing time. E F G H hoping time. E F G H hoping time. I J K L learning time. I J K L learning time. M N O P playing time. M N O P playing time. Q R S T story time. Q R S T story time. U V W writing time. U V W writing time. X Y Z is jolly time. X Y Z is jolly time.
Okay, children, now join the dots from A to Z and color the picture and write the letters from A to Z in capitals and small letters in the table given. Okay, children? Okay, now read the names of animals. Elephant, tiger, bear, rat, zebra, fish, monkey, cat, lion, peacock. Okay, Now find the names of the animals that are not given in the picture. Write them in the box. Now write the names of animals and birds in the boxes and color them. Okay? Animals: bear, rabbit, lion, fish, giraffe, monkey. Birds: eagle, parrot, crow, hen, duck, owl. Okay, we see different animals and birds in nature. Can you write their names? For example, lion. Like this, fill the remaining names. Okay, children? Okay, now let us learn another beautiful rhyme. Okay, children? You just observe all the starting lines of the rhyme and try to add new lines.
The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. The frogs are hopping just like this, just like this. The frogs are hopping just like this, just like this. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. The cat is all watching just like this, just like this. The cat is all watching just like this, just like this.
Now story time. A mouse and a snake. Look at the picture story. Tell the story to your friends in the group and present it before the class. Okay? Now I will tell the story. A mouse saw a tail in the bushes. Then the mouse tried to pull the tail, but it did not come out. It tried harder and harder. At last, a snake came out the bushes and hissed towards the mouse. Suddenly, the mouse shocked and tried to escape. That's all. This is the story belongs to this picture. Okay, children, this is our first lesson. You have enjoyed a lot with rhymes, story, and the words and pictures. I think you have learned the names of the birds and animals in nature. Okay, children, learn the rhymes and practice these words. Okay, children, see you again.